This topical talk's gonna show you how to move your Steam games to another drive. Follow these easy steps to easily transfer or move games to another drive. Go ahead and launch your Steam, and now click on Steam and click on Settings. Click on Storage, and now as you can see, currently this game installed in my C drive. So now I want to transfer or move this game to my D drive. To do that, first of all, we have to add the drive in our Steam. So click on this current drive drop down, and here click on add drive, and now click on this drop down and select the new drive and click on add. Okay, once the drive added, here you will get the drive. Now let's move this game to my E drive. So selecting the game, if you want to transfer or move multiple games at the same time, you can check multiple games here. Now click on move and move content. Click on this drop down and select the new drive where you want to move the game and click on move. And it may take some time to move the game. Once it's done, here we can see all content moved successfully, and currently in my C drive here is no game. If I go to my E drive, here we can see the game. So this is how we can actually move game to another drive. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.